Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how easy to connect the brand new DJI Mic 3 directly to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. No cables, no receivers, just smooth wireless audio for your vlogs. Let's get started. Before anything else, make sure your Osmo Pocket 3 firmware is up to date. This is super important so Mic 3 pairs smoothly without any issue. Now, just power on the DJI Mic 3 transmitter. No need to set up the receiver. This one connects directly. Bring the transmitter close to your Osmo Pocket 3. Thanks to DJI Osmo Audio system, the camera automatically detects and pairs with the Mic 3. It's quick and seamless. You'll see the audio levels on the Pocket 3 screen once it's paired. That's how you know your mic is working. And here's the best part. You can connect up to 2 transmitters at the same time. Perfect for interviews, collabs, or travel vlogs with a friend. Quick tips: always update firmware before pairing. Repair or restart your device if connection fails. Check audio levels before recording. Yon. So, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic 3 to the Osmo Pocket 3. And I have the other transmitter. See? Yes, this is another transmitter.
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah.
Wala, why you laughing?
Amazing. Looks amazing.
You didn't even hear this one, then you amazing directly?
Design, no design.
Ah, the design is amazing.
Yes.
The design is good, pare.
Yeah. Looks amazing.
But the sound quality, did you hear the test this one?
Yeah, I like this.
You like
I
this
the
one?
sound. Yeah. No, this one is far more better, no?
Ah, far more better.
Yeah.
The design, you like the design now?
Yeah, design amazing.
Small.
This one, yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's magnetic also, yeah.
It's also magnetic.
Yeah. You can
Right.
clip.
And directly I connect to the Osmo Pocket 3.
Yes, it.
Yes.
Wow.
This is directly Osmo Pocket 3. See? No need any adapter or receiver. Direct, you can transmit the mic to the receiver or to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Wow. Good,
Nice, no?
good. Yeah.
So where's our coffee?
Guru, you tell after 7, you buy chapati. Where?
So guys, I disconnected the other mic, the mic, the auto transmitter too. So I have only one mic now. And again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic 3 direct to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So 3x3, right? So perfect combination if you want to vlog with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, or if you have DJI Osmo Pocket 3 single, yes. I recommend to have this DJI Osmo DJI Mic 3. Yeah, DJI Mic 3 you can use for your mobile, for camera, and for Osmo Pocket 3, Osmo Action 5, Osmo Action 5 Pro, and even the Osmo 360. So next video we will try to use the DJI or Mic 3 to the 360. And so again, for the last time, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic 3 to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Before we wrap up, Huge shout out to my amazing partners, Puncube Mech Wallet, stylish and functional everyday carry, the LensGo SmokeGo portable fog machine for cinematic vibes, the K&F Concept, thanks for the rock solid tripod holding my setup, and the Bento app. Don't forget to use my code BTRPHY when you travel. And that's it. The DJI Mic 3 and Osmo Pocket 3 are dream team for vloggers. Update your firmware, connect the mic, and you're good to go. If it's helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all the numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.